Welcome to my blog name generator. Now you too can easily find available domain names for your blog. Before we start, it's important to say that you should not register a domain name without first taking appropriate legal advice. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to enter your keyword. A great idea is to choose a word that hints at what makes you different to your competitors. For example, you may be a dad wanting to blog about bringing up your kids by yourself, so you could type in dad or daddy as a starting point. Let's try dad and kids as the blog topic. As you can see, it processes a lot of domain names very quickly, so over 17,000. It defaults to returning available .com domain names, which are the de facto standard. Most people would prefer to have a .com rather than anything else. As you can see, there's some really good names here. Dad Pundit, which may be taken. Sometimes the software gets it slightly wrong, so some of the return names may be taken, but it's generally speaking pretty accurate. Dad Sherpa, for example, I wonder if that's available. Okay, so Dad Sherpa is available, and as you can see, the Twitter name's also available. We blog Dad I also like quite a lot, and that's available as well. So there you go. Now let's try tech and select Mummy Blogger. And already I can see I quite like Tech Wife, Tech Cutie. And Tech Wife's available, but the Twitter name isn't. That may not be important to you. You may not worry too much about that. Perhaps go for techwife.com as the Twitter name. So if you get stuck and you find that you can't find names that are appropriate for you, despite the fact there's quite a lot in there, you can try and combine words. So for example, Tech Mum. So you get things like My Tech Mum, Tech Mum Fix. Basically a lot more suggestions that are geared to what you're actually offering people. Once you're happy with the domain name, all you have to do is click on it, and you can register it either through GoDaddy or Namecheap. And there you have it, ready to go. One thing I also ought to talk about is the advanced options, so you can decide where your keyword is placed. It can either be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the domain name. You can return domain names of a different length. Remember that the Twitter username limit is 15 characters, so if social media is important to you, then you wouldn't want to register a domain name that's got more than 15 characters in it. And I've also included some common blog prefixes and suffixes, which you can obviously select or deselect. Ultimately, I want to allow you to select tilde other than just .com, but currently the budget doesn't stretch this far. If my blog name generator has helped you, please support continued development by making a small contribution using the PayPal button below.